Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. Airports are places where thousands of people from different countries arrive every day. Travelers show their passports, collect their luggage, and continue their journeys without much attention. But sometimes a small and unexpected moment can turn into a mystery that people talk about for decades. One such strange event reportedly happened in the year 1954 at an international airport in Japan. On what seemed like an ordinary day, passengers from several flights were passing through immigration control. Among them was a well-dressed businessman who looked like any other international traveler. He carried a suitcase, wore a formal suit, and appeared calm and confident as he approached the passport control desk. The immigration officer greeted the traveler and politely asked for his passport and travel documents. The man handed them over without hesitation. At first glance, everything appeared completely normal. The passport looked official and contained several stamps from different countries. However, as the officer began reading the passport more carefully, something unusual caught his attention. The nationality printed inside the document stated that the traveler was from a country called Torrid. The officer paused for a moment. He had worked in the immigration for years and had seen passports from many nations around the world, but he had never heard of a country called Torrid. Assuming it might simply be a country he was unfamiliar with, the officer asked the traveler where Torrid was located. The man answered confidently, explaining that his country was in Europe. The officer then placed a large world map on the desk and placed the traveler to show where Torrid was located. Without hesitation, the traveler leaned forward and pointed to a region between France and Spain. But the officer immediately noticed something strange. The area the traveler pointed to was already known to belong to another country. When the officer explained this, the traveler seemed confused. He insisted that the place he pointed to had always been called Torrid and that it had existed for thousands of years. According to the traveler, Torrid has its own government, borders, and culture. He appeared genuinely surprised that the officer never heard of him. The officer called several colleagues to examine the passport. Soon a small group of airport officials gathered around the desk, curious about the unusual situation. They carefully inspected the document. The passport appeared authentic and contained numerous entry and exit stamps from different international airports. Some of the stamps were from real countries and cities that officials recognized. This made the situation even more puzzling. If the passport was fake, it was extremely detailed and convincing. But if it was real, why did the country listed in it not appear on any other maps? The traveler remained calm while officials asked him questions. He answered them politely and continued to insist that Torrid was a normal country in Europe. He even explained that he had traveled to Japan on business many times before and that his documents had never caused problems. Airport officials checked international records and maps trying to find any mention of Torrid, but no matter where they looked, they could not find any country by that name. The traveler grew increasingly confused. From his perspective, the officials were the ones making a mistake. To him, the existence of Torrid was as obvious as any other country on the map. Since the situation could not be resolved immediately, authorities decided to move the traveler to a nearby office for further questioning. They asked him about his home, his work, and the history of his country. His answers sounded detailed and believable. But every attempt to confirm his story led to the same result. No records of a country called Torrid existed. Because his nationality could not be verified, officials decided that the traveler should stay overnight in a secure hotel room near the airport until the situation could be investigated further. Two security guards were placed outside the room to ensure that the traveler remained there until morning. Inside the room, the traveler was given food and allowed to rest. His suitcase and documents were kept by the authorities for examination. The next morning, officials returned to continue the investigation and speak with the mysterious traveler again. But when they opened the door to the room, they were shocked by what they saw. The traveler was gone, the room was empty, and there were no clear signs explaining how he could have left. The security guards insisted that no one had entered the room during the night. To this day, the story of the man from Torrid remains one of the most unusual travel mysteries ever told. Whether it was a misunderstanding, a strange coincidence, or something else entirely, the mystery continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, whether you think it was a fake, made up story or it was something real. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.